So if we flip the book just here and we look at this idea of AI and artificial intelligence, let's have a look at how AI can actually help us as an educator. What can it do for us to, take away some of these expectations that we have placed on us by our departments and schools and, our workplaces? And what can we do to make our jobs a little bit more practical, to keep us sane, to make sure that we are looking after our well-being, we're meeting the needs of the young people that we're teaching in our classes? How can AI actually assist us with this? All right, the first way that AI can help educators is by helping to reduce that repetitive workload. So, looking at the various AI tools, and some of the AI tools that we're going to look at tonight can absolutely help reduce this repetitive workload that we are faced with. Whether it's creating a resource, a worksheet, a closed passage, questions, we can find an AI tool that is going to be efficient and effective to help with this particular part and role of our job as an educator. All right, AI can also help educators by helping us generate ideas and resources. Absolutely. If you are absolutely stuck for an idea, if you can't think of questions based on the text, you've got a YouTube video, AI is your best friend when it comes to this. Okay. It is going to take and cut out all of that time that you are probably using to procrastinate, and it's going to provide you with something that is a starting point. Okay. So it can help us generate those ideas, generate those essay questions, generate those narrative writing or persuasive prompts that we're going to share with our classes. It can help us generate and create resources that we can use with our students. Doesn't matter whether they're only in primary school, middle school, high school. They can even help us if we're teaching some of those university, college type students as well. So AI can help you to generate ideas and resources. All right, the next reason and next way that AI can help educators is by supporting differentiation. So we're here in 2026. Differentiation is something that you will hear all the time. Okay, we need to differentiate for our students. Well, AI can actually help you out with this. All right, it is very easy to go in and differentiate a text based on, whether your student is your first language that you might be teaching in. So obviously I'm from an English speaking country. So our first language that we teach in is English. I have lots of students who are coming from African countries, who are coming from Asian places, who are coming from all over the world who don't natively speak English as their first language. So AI can help me create and adjust and differentiate those resources so I can support them as they're learning and developing their English skills. Okay, the next reason why AI can help educators is because it can actually help enhance creativity. So we can use AI to generate those prompts, generate those story starters, those sentence starters, those ideas that we could use for artworks, that we could use to create projects. It can help enhance creativity by providing your students with a myriad of suggestions to get started with whatever you're looking at. It's also great to take something and pop it into an AI system and get it to create a modeled response. We know that modeling and that explicit teaching is very important, and AI is a powerful tool that can help us out with that as well. All right, and our final reason why AI can actually help educators is because it can help us improve our productivity. Yes, we can reduce that workload by incorporating and utilizing a range of different AI tools. All right, you might not just use a singular tool, you might be using different tools for different purposes, but it can absolutely help improve your productivity. So maybe instead of sitting there trying to draft an email to a parent or to a colleague or someone like that, you might create that draft. Then you might get another tool such as ChatGPT or Claude to go and rewrite it so it's professional, or to take out the emotion. Okay. So there's so many different ways that AI can actually help and assist us as an educator. These are just 5 examples. These are just 5 very simple reasons why AI can be a tool that can help you and I in our everyday practice as educators. So these are some of the reasons why AI matters. AI matters today in education. You can't hide, okay? It is here, it is now. It is something that's going to continually be embedded into our world and our education system. So you probably need to get on board this train. Okay. Yeah, for some of us, it is really scary. But I can tell you, once you're on board this train, you are going to absolutely love the view. You're going to look at everything and you're going to go, why didn't I get a ticket earlier? Because this is going to help me out so much. It is going to make your life so much easier, much more efficient and effective, and it's going to give you some time back. All right. It's going to help you with your well being and your welfare and making sure that you can actually go out there and enjoy life rather than being consumed as your role as an educator 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All right. So, this is why AI matters in education.